We have another time saver here. In this example, say you needed to look for a particular type of pelmet, and we'll focus in on jabots. Now remember, in our browser window here, you can always pull out and expand the browser so you can see more of the jabots at the same time. And if you look down here at the bottom of the screen, you will see that in this particular category, we have 65 items to choose from. And if you wanted to narrow down that selection, you could start clicking on and selecting particular thumbnails that you might want to view. You might want to view that one, and this one, maybe this one, and we'll say this fourth one. And then you can click on your View Selected tab here at the top of your browser, and there you've got your selection narrowed down to 4 jabots. This is a real time saver, and it will help you to quickly find the design you are looking for.